Welcome all of you in this tutorial of NSML learning and bagging. So first of all we see what is NSML learning. NSML methods is machine learning techniques that combine several weak learners models and obtain a optimal predictive model. That is, we make some basic models or base models or weak models and try to obtain a best model by combining these weak models. The main cause of error in any machine learning model is due to noise, bias, and variance. The ensemble method helps to minimize these factors of noise, bias, and variance, and increasing the learning ability of our model and increasing the accuracy of machine learning algorithm. So, ensemble learning methods are bagging, boosting, stacking, and blending. In this tutorial, we try to see bagging. What is bagging? For that, in any ensemble learning technique, we have to know first of all what is bootstrap sample. So let's see what is bootstrapping and bootstrap sample. Bootstrap is a method of obtaining multiple samples from a single dataset by applying simple random sampling with replacement. We can obtain multiple datasets from a single dataset. So it is nothing but bootstrap sampling method. So let's see what is bootstrap sample. Here we can see this is our initial dataset. That is nothing but 12 data points. That is nothing but 12 rows. This is a single row. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, up to 12 row. These are the 12 row, 12 data points of a dataset. And we try to obtain a bootstrap sample of size 5 from it. So these are the bootstrap sample. This is the first bootstrap sample. This is the second bootstrap sample. This is the third bootstrap sample. We can obtain multiple bootstrap sample from a single dataset, and here we use sampling with replacement. Here we can see here is third row is present in first bootstrap sample, again in second bootstrap sample, again there is a third row is present. So that is, here we use sampling with replacement. We can say it also rows, rows replacement, with sampling with rows replacement. These are the rows, that's why we can, it also says sampling with rows replacement. So let's see what is bagging. These are the required steps for bagging. Multiple datasets are created from an original dataset, selecting observation with replacement. You obtain a multiple dataset, nothing but bootstrap sample. We obtain a bootstrap sample from a single dataset, and we try to get a base model. A weak model is created on each bootstrap sample. A base model or a weak model is created on each bootstrap sample, and with this bootstrap sample have different models, and these models are running parallel and independent of each other. The final prediction are determined by combining the prediction of all these weak models. That is nothing but models run on each of the bootstrap sample. So let's see graphically what is bootstrapping and bagging. We also call bagging as a bootstrap aggregation. So let's see here. Here is our original dataset. Here is the bootstrap samples d1, d2 up to dt be the t bootstrap samples. We can obtain multiple bootstrap samples from this single d dataset. These are the multiple bootstrap sample, and we try to apply a different classifiers. This is the classifier 1, classifier 2, classifier t minus 1, classifier t. We try to apply different multiple classifiers on different bootstrap samples. This is the first bootstrap sample. This is the first classifier apply on d1. This is the second bootstrap sample d2, and we apply this classifier 2 on d2 up to dt, and we apply here classifier ct. So in final step, we try to combine all these weak learners, this c1, c2 up to ct be the weak models, that is weak learners, and we try to combine it and obtain a final optimal predictive model. That is not even, let's see here example. Here we have a data set, and we obtain a multiple bootstrap samples from it, and apply different classifier and combine it, and and again we take another testing uh, data point, and we put here it in all these d1 d2 dt and try to obtain its result. Here from the, let's see, we'll take c1 gives us a, let's say our data set contain target variable as a 0 and 1. Our target variable contain two classes, 0 and 1. Here we put our testing data set in d1 d2 dt minus 1 dt. c1 gives us a target variable as a 0. c2 gives us target variable as a 0. ct minus 1 gives us a target variable as a 0, and ct gives us a target variable as 1. So here we can see this all classifier gives us majority as a 0. That's why we say that our testing data set class is 0. So yeah, in after combining the all the classifiers, we apply the voting classifier or averaging of the all. When there is a regression, then we try to apply averaging of all these results from each classifier. And for from in classification we try to apply voting classifier, and in regression we try to obtain a average of all models. So from that is, uh, our final predictive model gives a average of all these models, and in classification we get we apply voting classifier. That is, so may all of you like this tutorial. So thank you, and subscribe our channel and stay tuned.